Good morning, y'all. So, or whatever time it is when you're watching this. I guess it doesn't necessarily have to be morning. Today, I'm doing a day in my life quarantine edition. It's been really boring around my house, but a lot of you guys requested this, so I decided I would show it. I wake up and I get on my phone for a little bit, and finally, once I get out of bed, I will make my bed. I'm going to be honest, I don't do this every day, but the days that I know I don't want to waste my day in the bed, I try to make it. Because if it's unmade, I would literally crawl into it at any second of the day. So, yeah, here's me, and here is my boyfriend's stuff that is all over my room because he's not actually from here. He just goes to college here. So, when we got shut down, he's just been staying in our extra bedroom for a little while. And here's the laundry that I need to do today. So the first thing I do when I wake up is go get caffeinated or caffeinated, but preferably through coffee. So I know you've all seen the TikTok whipped coffee. I think it's called a Greek latte. And yeah, it's all equal parts sugar, instant coffee, and water. And you just whip it to your desired thickness. I've seen people do it really thick to where it's like forms stiff peaks, but I just kind of do it to where it's kind of like a syrupy texture. I don't know. But it'll get lighter in color as you can see, and it's really cool. And I got some on my shirt. If you see the dishes back there, it's definitely my turn to do them, but we'll get on to that later. So yeah, this is kind of the consistency I like. I could do it more, but I feel like it would still taste the same. Maybe the texture would just be different. Normally, I pour the milk in first, but this time I decided to do it reverse to make it easier to blend rather than it all just sitting on top, but it still was kind of difficult to mix. But I mean, whatever, and it wasn't as cute, so we're just going with it. I use vanilla almond milk because I love the sweetness with it. Then the Virgo in me obviously has to wipe off the rim for the presentation. So yeah, and then I taste it, and every time I say, so good. I'm really lame, I'm sorry. Then I take it back into my room. Actually, no, wait, I went outside. Forgot about this. But yeah, I went outside and just literally chilled here for probably 45 minutes. And it looks like I barely drank any of my coffee the whole time. I think that I ended up falling asleep while I was out there. Like, I don't honestly remember. But the days are literally just running together at this point. I'm so bored. So, sitting outside for 45 minutes is like nothing at this point. Then I go inside and I'm deciding to do the laundry. How I like to do laundry, I like to Jesus, I can't talk. I like to sort it out in my room, and then I'll get a basket and I'll put it into the basket already sorted. It's just a lot easier that way for me, and I don't have to have my clothes all over the laundry room. My mom hates that, so you're welcome, mom. So yeah, now you're in my laundry basket, and we're going on a trip to the laundry room. So obviously put detergent in there, but I swear you need to get these scent boosters. They smell so good, and everyone always tells me that my clothes actually still smell like fresh laundry. Just put all those in, and then these ended up sitting in the washing machine for 2 days after this. So don't recommend that because now they have to be washed again. Here's me annoyed because the footage before this got deleted, or I just wasn't recording. I don't know, probably me. But yeah, I changed clothes, washed my face, brushed my teeth, then I was gonna go work out, but my AirPods were dead. So while those charged, I decided to go do the dishes and clean the kitchen because it just makes me feel better when like every room that I walk into is clean, you know? Then I decided to make me and TR a sandwich. I've been waking up pretty late, so lunch is usually the first meal that I eat. And then I'll eat dinner obviously a little bit later too. And yeah, it's a really weird schedule. I haven't been trying to wake up early. I don't know. Sometimes I feel not like I'm not doing enough, but like other times I'm just like I don't want to do anything, you know? It's just a weird time right now. Then I decided to make myself some of these like homemade cracker lunchable type things with salami and cheese and Tabasco because I love anything spicy. And yeah, there's my sandwich and my crackers. And here is TR, but he didn't want to be on camera, but he had to be anyways. And here he is again. But then we decided to go on a walk down the driveway, and he made me run back, and then I died. And yeah, I felt like my chest was caving in. Then I decided to do this workout. I can't remember the YouTuber's name, but she has free workouts online. I saw it on Hannah Malocious vlog, which is also kind of what inspired me to do this video, plus all of your requests to do it. But it's like she's a 2-week shred. There's an ab one, but also a full body one. So this was my first day of doing it, and I died. I never work out, so this was a lot for me. And it's only a 10-minute workout. I know my form on these is probably awful. Like I said, I never work out. There's me dying, but I wanted to leave these in here because I feel like it shows a realistic person that is just trying to be fit but isn't, you know? So, obviously, I'm not really trying to lose weight. I just want to build up muscle and like my stamina in general because, like I said, literally just running down the driveway, I was so out of breath and had chest pains over it. I really just want to tone up in general, though. If you're wondering why there's this random rug outside, my mom was cleaning it and I couldn't find the yoga mat that we have, so I just used it as like a little pad under this beach towel. Kind of random, but it worked. So yeah, after 10 brutal minutes, I'm finally done. And yeah, it was awful, but I'm going to continue to do it. And here I am, really sweaty and gross. So I wasn't ready to like take a shower yet, so I just decided to get the sweat off of my face with a toner. And then I put these lights in my room and kind of made my bed a little bit differently because I wanted it to be more cozy in there. Like I've been spending a lot of time in here and I was getting bored looking at the same thing. So I wanted to put lights in my room like it's 2013 again. And yeah, here we are. So I put on a swimsuit, went outside and hung in the Eno, and then whoops, I left you hanging. We ended up eating Mexican enchiladas that night, and then I just edited this video and went to sleep. I love you guys so much, and I hope you're staying safe at home. It's a weird time for everyone, so if you're feeling anxious or just confused, I promise you I'm right there with you. We will get through this together. I love y'all so much.